The facial recognition artificial intelligence-based thermal sensor provides precision and reliability by measuring the temperature up to the accuracy of 0.05 degrees Celsius thanks to the European standard thermal sensor. Its fast and accurate facial recognition system recognizes the people entering in the building and stores the data onto the cloud. Its high-definition binocular facial recognition camera adapts to the harsh lighting conditions. In this way, you can monitor the health and attendance of your employees from anywhere in the world. Now let's take a closer look at the product and dive into its details. The user first registers their body temperature by placing their foreheads 4 inches away from the scanner. The cutting-edge IR sensor registers the body temperature, which is shown on the LED display. If the temperature is above normal, a loud buzz alarm is activated, giving warning about fever and potential risk of virus infection. However, in case of the temperature being below 100 degrees Fahrenheit, the user has to take a step back on cue when LED light blinks twice and a picture is taken by onboard camera in device. As you can see, there is no need of a designated operator for this device as compared to IR thermal scanner, which requires people to come into close proximity with the operator, thereby increasing the risk of virus spread. The picture is then compared against database using AI facial recognition algorithm. However, it denies entry if the person's temperature is normal, but the person's data is not available in the facial recognition database. Now, let's have a look at the technical details of the product. The EU standard Melexis NV-IR sensor used in the device comes with IAF, IATF and ISO 14001:2015 certifications. The built-in ambient temperature sensors allow calibration of device in any weather conditions within 15 minutes of setup so that the device is ready to use anywhere, anytime. This device combines powerful facial recognition technology with friendly user interface, which makes it extremely easy to set up. Attendance and temperature records can be easily accessed in the form of sheets by logging into browser using administrator access. This contactless technology acts as an alternative to biometric systems of attendance in offices and schools. Whether you're a business, an educational institute, or corporate space, with our device you can open up today. So order using our Facebook page or website at radatechnologies.com.